everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dolker Paris. I hope you all are doing good and we are all fine. And today me and my sister going to do her teeth treatment. Okay, teeth treatment. So let's go. Here. Menuju Tulmon Leja. Hello. Beautiful. This is our place where we live. This is a witty Susan. Her outfit. Today's
My OTD.
oh. Let's see. OTD. See her outfit of the day, Elijah. So now we are we are going to dental first. Then we'll see what to do today. And weather also not bad. Now we are almost reached. 세모도 둘러 담아 수치게죠. Now we reach the dental and let's go inside. This is the second time.
I'm going to start to do the anesthesia. Okay. Breathe slowly through the nose. Or else anesthesia doesn't work. Close the lid. Good. Thank you. Open. Are you okay? Like today?
Yeah.
2 p.m. 30?
Yeah, now today is done, but it's not yet finished. Again, we have to come next Friday.
Yeah, next
Yes, next Friday we will come. Today they did one small treatment and we have to wait till next appointment. If next appointment her teeth condition is not good, then they will do root canal. So let's wait for next appointment. Drink KFC sa lele chen der. Kajin rapan ne wacha ne ya KFC sa. Much to stita. Mary's. This is using Mary. This is a Mary. Here it's a Mary. Office of Mary. C'est trop déjà. So beautiful fall.
추도.
간다 춤이도 추부러 감샤지나. 뭐가 차라요 아니 너무 고고 차기더라. 근데 처음 구들 미사마들라. 올라. 난 저거 좀 메트로데 고고 차미도 메트로라 구디에 체 아니 니 드인들 보고 싶어도 시켰어이나. 아마 슈치다 KFC 킨도도 비슷해. 근데 남시인데 드인디샤 차와게도 두체. 니. 다들 너 초정하다 가면 주종하도 되시야. 이네 양단 너무 차고 주고도지. 뭔가 저도 좀 만나고 거 보시 차이도 생각이 오면도 once again everyone. I'm really sorry, nowadays I'm not able to upload it videos on a time because I'm a little bit busy with the class as well as some other thing, but don't worry, I will try my best to make videos and upload it as soon as possible. Video is all about dental treatment of my sister. As you all know that since long time she having a teeth problem, and yes, first time when we went check up, that I already share one video, and this is second time. So they did one treatment, but still one appointment is left, and they said if she need, they will do root canal also. So let's see, and that's all today's video, and I hope you all like it. If you like, then please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new in my YouTube channel. So see you soon with a new video. Bye bye, take care and peace, love y'all.